Supports standard and inverted mounting with 180 screen rotation. Supports two-way real-time voice calling, fitted with dual microphones that use active noise reduction technology to effectively reduce speaker echo and enhance your call experience. Enable your security camera in 3 simple steps. Download the Mi Home app. Power on the Mi 360 Home Security Camera 2000 Pro. Open the app, search for it and connect to the device to use it normally. Dual band Wi-Fi connection with no lag. Supports 2.45 GHz dual band Wi-Fi connections, reduces signal interference, improves transmission speed, and provides a more stable connection with no lag. On-screen camera output display. Keep an eye on what matters to you with anytime, any place remote access to video output on your smartphone, tablet, and Mi Smart Clock. .360 tilt zoom panorama for all-round monitoring with no blind spots. Features a dual-axis pin tilt zoom motor with a 360 horizontal viewing angle and 118 vertical viewing angle. Mi Home app control and panorama imaging, so you can see everything. When you don't want camera monitoring enabled, you can enable the physical shield via the Mi Home app. Once enabled, the camera lens will automatically rotate downwards inside of the case to protect.